you, Mama.
What?
Mama,
What?
look, you can dump. You can dump this far.
Goodness. And then what? Is it solidly made?
Yeah.
Yep.
This is plastic.
Yep. That's all right though.
And this is metal.
Mm-hmm.
And this is plastic.
Yep. It's built for endurance.
Yeah, you can put this bit, but not this bit.
Mm.
You can put water on it,
Mm-hmm.
but not squished on the tub.
No, we're not gonna take it in the tub. I think it's as big as the tub, honey.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Yes. These big wheels are for going on the water and on land.
They are. It's an amphibious truck. It looks like a Titan.
Outside.
You can take it outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dump it.
And dump it and dump it and dump it and make a big dump.
Ice. Ship.
Okay, I don't understand what you're saying now.
Ice. Ship.
An ice ship?
Yeah. No, is this my truck? Come on, Georgia. I see.
Well, you can't see because he's gone now. You have to go get him and then you can see. Go get him.
Georgia.
Go.
Stop it. No biting. Come on, Georgia.
A big truck's coming! Ah!
Next to you. Next.
You gonna stand next to me?
Yeah.
Where's the big truck, Doxy? Where is it? Come back this way. You're all right. Here it comes. Ah!
Look at this.
What?
Go back with me. I'm good.
Say thanks, Mimi and Becca.